Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all how to reduce bloating in just 3 days. Yes, you can reduce bloating, that is water retention, from your stomach, face, entire body in just 3 days with these 5 tricks that you can follow very easily. This video will definitely contain some recipes that can help you reduce your water retention and also some tricks that really work well to reduce it in just 3 days. It's really helpful and works wonders for those who are suffering from bloating very often and get a flabby stomach and puffed face too quickly. So let's get started with the video and let's share with you some amazing options to reduce bloating. The first very amazing trick that works for bloating or water retention is reduce your salt intake. You have to reduce your salt intake to reduce that bloating from your flabby stomach or your face or entire body. And if you want that you shouldn't be getting bloating at all anytime, make sure you have salt only in one meal of the day. Make it lunch, best option. Make it breakfast, amazing option. But do not have salt in dinner at all. So reduce your salt intake to a very minimum level for your entire diets. But if you want to reduce bloating in 3 days, make sure you have no salt for at least 2 to 3 days. It is very easily possible. You can have lemon juice, you can have oregano, black pepper added to your foods if you really want to have something salty. You can have chill lemon water, which works wonders to cure your salt cravings. Lemon is one of the most important ingredients if you're trying to reduce bloating from your body. So reduce the salt intake to a minimum level. The second trick is lots of infused water. I'll be sharing with you 2 amazing recipes of infused water which works wonders to have entire day instead of normal water. The first is 1 liter of water with added chopped cucumber, some mint leaves fresh, and 1 entire lemon squeezed with the added veggies to it. Do not throw the skin of the lemon, add the entire lemon to it, the water. Keep this entire jar of water in refrigerator entire night and have this water next day without fail. Have this water instead of your normal regular water. Second infused water recipe is in 1 liter of water, boil 2 tablespoons of jeera, that is cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of ajwain, that is carom seeds, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Do not add cinnamon a lot because it's very warm in nature. So only 1 stick of cinnamon or 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Let it boil for at least 3 to 4 minutes, and when done, pour it in a bottle or a jar and have it entire day, sip by sip. Sipping of the water is the key to reduce fat from your body and also bloating very easily. These 2 recipes of infused water works wonders to cure your bloating issues and also to reduce fat from your body very easily. Now, third is foods to have during these 3 days, or best if you can have these foods entire time of your diets. I make sure that I give my clients only these foods when they are on their diets, and these things works wonders for them. They eat a lot and also reduce their weight very easily. So you can have brown rice. In vegetables, always try to have ghee, tinda, tori, broccoli, tomato, stuff like that. In breakfast, start having oats. They are really wonders. Reduce your milk intake. We do not want milk because it contains lots and lots of bloating properties in it. Also, no gluten. Please reduce your gluten intake. We do not want gluten to be added in our diets, which is chapati, that is normal wheat roti. No, strict no to that. You can have jaw roti, barley roti, bran roti, and different kinds of multigrain chapatis. Things to add to your diet is majorly broccoli and pineapple. Pineapple is the major natural fat cutter which works wonders to cut your fat from the body and also to decrease your bloating and water retention to a great level. In your dinner, make sure you have either stir-fried broccoli or chopped half pineapple. Now, the fourth option for reducing bloating in few days is crunches. Yes, it's a workout, but we'll do it gradually in the entire day. So you have to do 100 crunches each day. Do 25 crunches each time. When you're lying on your bed, do 25 crunches. Or if you cannot do crunches due to any issues, you need to do one major exercise that works wonders and is amazing for reducing your belly fat. Breathe in 3 seconds and breathe out for 7 seconds. Yes, this is the key, how to breathe. Do this exercise for at least 10 to 15 minutes each day and make sure you exhale very hard. Try to do these two exercises easily entire day, every single day. Now, the last trick that works wonders and has to be followed each and every day, irrespective of these 3 days, is early morning drink and before bed drink. Make sure you have your early morning drink as soon as you wake up, which should be either lukewarm lemon water with added cinnamon powder and black pepper powder, or lukewarm water with added apple cider vinegar to this, or methi seeds water. That works wonders. And before going to bed, make sure you have 1 cup of chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is the best stress reliever and also boosts your metabolism entire night. And make sure you take 2 tablets of triphala with it or ashwagandha. Both of them are best for boosting your metabolism entire night and works wonders for your digestive system as well. It cleanses your liver very quickly. So make sure you have chamomile tea with triphala or ashwagandha each and every day, and we'll definitely try to have at least 2 to 3 cups of green tea entire day. Very rich in antioxidants and majorly best for boosting immunity and metabolism. So 2 to 3 cups of green tea each and every day. These tricks works wonders when you want to reduce your bloating or water retention in just 3 days, and try to follow these steps each and every day for great results. For personalized diet plans, you can mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com. And if you like my video, please hit the like button. Comment below if you have any query regarding any of the diet plans or recipes or health issues. I'll be more than happy to help you. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.